Alrighty, let's take a little ride here in a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette. This one's like a one family owned. It's only got 97,000 original miles on it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Local car too, Beverly Hills car. You should have seen the house this car came from.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, you know, it's got 350 small block in there. Got an Edelbrock intake manifold on it. Edelbrock carb, some MSD ignition. Automatic tranny.
It's pretty loaded too, huh? Because it had a tilt telescopic wheel and leather.
Yeah, full leather. Yep. Yep. You know, I guess it's got an aftermarket radio there, but you know, people wanted that back then.
That's an antique.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Look at the spin.
There we go.
You're warmed up a little bit.
Yeah, well, that's just it. We didn't warm it up. Got, you know, got the 8-inch Corvette Ralleys on there.
Power windows.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Power windows.
Maybe Transit Turbo 350.
It's
a 400.
It's a 400, yeah.
Numbers,
it's a
Turbo
400.
Trans. A lot of Corvettes had the better 3-speed automatic trans.
Yeah, yeah, it's still a 3-speed, but it runs good on the freeway.
Paint's old, but really nice and presentable. You'll see it in the pictures. Nice and shiny.
Yeah, with Burgundy.
And it's smog exempt for us California people.
Yeah.
You want to this thing. You put a different motor in it, you put a supercharger on it, there's a ton of stuff to do to this car.
Oh, yeah.
But the 350 is the most reliable motor. I mean, it's so simple. You just get in, you drive it, enjoy it.
That's
this
right.
one's got AC. I think we got to take a look at it. I don't know if it blows 100% cold, but whatever it is, we're going to take a peek at that too.
Oh, yeah.
But it is summertime, I guess. But it's all there, belts on it and all that, so it's probably something simple.
All righty. Nice driving, man. It's got T-tops too, so you can take those off for the summer. You know?
It's here. It's convertible.
That's right. All right, coming up to picture spot.
All right, it's a nice sunny day here in California for a ride in a Corvette. These are great. This one's a 1973 Corvette. They're kind of distinct. You can tell them right away because they have a rubber front bumper and a chrome rear bumper. So it's a one-year-only body style. This one's got a 350 in it, turbo 400 automatic transmission. You can see those blue license plates. This car has been here since day one family owned. I got a 1-inch thick binder full of receipts and it's been cared for. Has a rebuilt engine in it, about 50,000 miles ago. But it's got the BF Goodrich TA radials, 8-inch rally wheels with little derby caps on there. Of course, it's a T-top car. You take those T-tops off, it's like having a convertible. Nice body style, nice paint. The paint's old, but very presentable. I mean, as you can see in the pictures, you know, nice and shiny. It's got nice metallic color to it, real clean. These are great cars, a lot of car for the money. This one actually has an original leather interior in it. It has not been redone. It's the original interior. Pretty well cared for. Dash is in nice condition. It's got a tilt telescopic steering wheel. It's got, as I mentioned, it's got factory air. Also has power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Just a great car overall. There's those removable T-tops there. Automatic. Anybody can drive it. Pretty easy to drive. Very modern feeling car. A lot of bang for the buck. All right, here's the power plant in the 73 Corvette. Again, it's just got a little 350 in there. A couple of upgrades. It's got aluminum intake on there. It's got MSD ignition. Has factory air. And everything's pretty, other than that, it's pretty stock under the hood. Like I said, it's been rebuilt. We got receipts for going back since day one on this car. Go show you the other side. Yep, pretty simple, pretty generic. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Yep, nice old 350, man. You can't beat these engines. You've heard me say it before. Best engine they ever built for Chevrolet. Just real basic, real simple, reliable. Sound good. We'll go ahead and round the back. You can hear it. Yeah, sounds good, man. Pretty cool. Nice little car. If you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary that's sitting in the car over there. We'll be happy to show you this in person. Thanks for watching.